For homeowners in Hilliard, Florida, keeping your home stylish, comfortable, and energy efficient is a top priority, especially in a climate that blends sunshine, humidity, and seasonal storms. Windows play a much larger role in that effort than most people realize. They shape your home's natural light, protect against heat and moisture, and define its overall aesthetic. Today's modern window trends go beyond looks. They combine design innovation with energy-saving performance and weather protection. Whether you live in a cozy cottage or a contemporary Florida-style home, these window upgrades are transforming how Hilliard homes look and function. Expansive glass and outdoor connection. One of the most exciting modern trends in Hilliard home design is the use of larger window panels that connect indoor and outdoor living. Homeowners are opting for floor-to-ceiling windows, panoramic picture windows, and multi-panel sliders to make rooms feel bigger and more open. This trend makes perfect sense in a place like Hilliard, where the natural surroundings, lush greenery, sunny skies, and gentle breezes are part of the appeal. Bigger windows invite more natural light and help create that open, airy feel that Florida homes are famous for. Modern energy-efficient glass options also make this trend practical. Low-E coatings and double-pane glass help filter UV rays, reducing heat buildup while keeping interiors cool and comfortable. Dark frames for modern contrast. In recent years, dark window frames, especially in shades of black, bronze, and charcoal, have become a signature look in modern Florida homes. The bold contrast of dark frames against light-colored stucco or siding creates a clean, elegant appearance that stands out. For homeowners in Hilliard, dark-framed windows are an easy way to achieve a contemporary upgrade without changing the home's structure. They pair beautifully with both modern and traditional architectural styles, adding sophistication and curb appeal. Best of all, today's high-quality vinyl and aluminum frame finishes are designed to withstand Florida's humidity and salt air, resisting corrosion, fading, and peeling for years. Energy efficiency and climate control. Florida's hot, humid weather means energy efficiency isn't just a perk, it's a necessity. Modern window technology has advanced to the point where homeowners can dramatically improve comfort and lower energy bills. Energy-efficient window upgrades in Hilliard typically include low-E, low emissivity, glass coatings to reflect heat and block harmful UV rays, argon gas-filled panes for improved insulation, thermal break frames that reduce heat transfer. These innovations help maintain cooler indoor temperatures during the long Florida summers while keeping your home insulated during cooler months. Over time, these upgrades can lead to noticeable savings on electricity and extend the lifespan of your HVAC system, a win for both your wallet and the environment. Custom shapes and unique designs. Modern homeowners want their windows to do more than just function, they want them to express personality. That's why custom window designs are becoming increasingly popular in Hilliard homes. From arched transoms and geometric shapes to bay and bow windows, these unique designs add depth and character to your home's architecture. Whether you're highlighting a front facade or brightening an interior space, custom designs turn standard windows into stunning design features. Custom windows also allow for flexible sizing, perfect for older Hilliard homes with non-standard openings or for homeowners who want to add distinctive architectural touches. Impact-resistant windows for year-round protection in coastal and inland Florida communities alike. Homeowners are prioritizing safety as much as style. Impact-resistant windows have become one of the most practical and popular modern upgrades for Hilliard homes. These windows are designed to withstand flying debris, high winds, and heavy rain during severe weather. The reinforced glass layers stay intact even when cracked, providing ongoing protection and preventing break-ins. Not only do impact-resistant windows enhance security and storm protection, but many models also offer excellent soundproofing and energy efficiency, making them a smart all-around investment for Florida living. Final thoughts for Hilliard homeowners: window replacement and design upgrades are more than aesthetic changes, they're lifestyle improvements. The latest trends in window design combine modern beauty, cutting-edge performance and Florida-ready durability. Whether you're drawn to large, light-filled spaces, energy-efficient materials, or impact-resistant protection, these modern window innovations can completely transform your Hilliard home. By working with local professionals who understand Florida's unique climate and design preferences, you can enjoy stylish, efficient, and long-lasting windows that enhance your comfort, safety, and curb appeal for years to come.